Hey guys, it is your girl Jordan back with another video. Today we'll be doing a wig review. So this unit was sent to me by Yolova. They are a new hair company. They reached out to a couple of YouTubers, myself included, and asked if I could review one of their units, and of course I said yes. So let me show you a little bit what the packaging looks like and what I got in my box. Okay, so the box that the unit came in, it was actually damaged, so I didn't want to show it on screen just because it looks good. I think I have pictures. I will insert pictures so you can see what it looks like. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And when I opened the box, it came in this little dust bag here. It says Yolova on here. And inside the bag came a pair of lashes, the not so good lashes, the China lashes that no one wears. It also came with 2 wig caps, which is great. You can never have too much of these. And I also got a pair of tweezers, which you will be seeing me using throughout this video. At the end of the video is where I'll be providing you with all the details on this unit. So if you want to hear and see what I did, what are my thoughts on this hair, go ahead and watch until the end.
Hi. So I went ahead and put on my bald cap off camera. If you want to see how I did it, I will link my previous wig installation in the eye above so that you can check that out. Now this is basically what the wig looks like fresh out of the package. It comes with 4 combs and it has an adjustable strap in the back. I don't think I showed that on camera. And yeah, this is what the lace is looking like up close. It is pre-plucked, but I am gonna go in and pluck it some more to my liking. Now I am using my foundation to give my bald cap that scalp like finish. You always want to ensure that your foundation matches your complexion. And to lay my wig down, I am using the Kiss Almighty Bond lace front wig glue. I hope I said that right. Using my blow dryer to dry it until it becomes clear, and then I went in with a second coat. Now what I like about this is the dual tip. It has a precision tip that you can use, and it also has a silicone tip, which is super easy, so you don't need to use like a rat tail comb to kind of smooth out your glue. Now I am just removing that piece of lace from the back of the wig, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation on my lace. All the sections of the lace I added the foundation, and then now I'm just gonna test the wig out just to play around with the placement so that I can go ahead and install this bad girl. Now I'm just using my rat tail comb to press my wig onto my glue just to make everything nice and even and flat, and then I'm gonna go in and tie the wig down so that it can set in place. Okay, so now I am just playing around with the side part just to see how I want the shape of the part to be, and just ensure that everything is nice and realistically I want to have that scalp like finish when I am through installing this wig. So now I went in with my wax stick just to lay the perimeters of my hair down so that I can get them out of the way before I go in with my tweezer to pluck that part to make it as crisp and as clean as I can possibly get it. And like I mentioned in my intro, I am now going in to pluck some more of the hairs from the perimeter of this unit, just because I felt the need to do so. This is a personal preference. You don't have to do it. I know persons who buy wigs and just wear it as is, but I felt as if it really did need a little bit more plucking. Here comes one of my favorite section of installing any type of wig that I wear, is doing my baby hairs. So I'm just playing around. I went in again with my tweezer to get my baby hairs laying nice and flat. I wanted to make sure that they look very realistic. And before I went in and laid my baby hairs, I made sure that I went in with some alcohol on a piece of, I think it was a wipe, a baby wipe, and just removed any excess glue or oil or anything that is around the perimeters of my hair. And now finally I'm just going in again with my silk scarf to tie my baby hairs down while I go ahead and spritz my hair with some water and add some mousse. Guys, I didn't realize my phone wasn't filming right here, and so I completely missed that part out. Okay, and that is it. This is what the final installation looks like. Of course, I will give you guys a close-up in a second.
Okay guys, so that is it for this wig installation. I am not gonna lie, at first when I saw the lace on this unit I was a little bit nervous because it had this like this thick whitish look, but after I added my foundation on the lace and I did the ball cap method to install the wig, this is what she is looking like. So I did do some baby hairs around this side of the unit. This is what they look like, and I also did some on this side. Yes, this wig is giving me life. The texture is so soft, you know. I don't feel any crunch. There's no crunch to it, and I did add mousse to it. and there is no crunch. So now guys, I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit more about this unit. So this unit was sent to me by Yolova. Now Yolova is a new hair company. They recently launched. They reached out to a couple YouTubers, myself included, to review one of their units. So this specific unit that I'm wearing is their Jerry Curl 13x4 180% density lace unit. It is 22 inches long and I am loving her. And in the event that you want to get any of their units on their website, I will leave all their information down in my description bar so you can check that out. And also I have a discount code for you guys, of course. So my discount code is Jordan. Make sure you use it at checkout to save some coins. They have different styles and different types of unit that you can definitely check out. So for this unit, I'm gonna do a little twirl to the back so you can see what she looks like, but she is giving me life. Now when I did this unit, I did, you know, spritz it with some water, and I also used some mousse. This is the back of the unit. Thank you Yolova for partnering with me to review this unit. Now I want to talk to you guys a little bit about my thoughts on the unit. Now the lace isn't bad. I'm gonna come up a little closer so you guys can see what the unit looks like. Now this is what she looks like. As I said, the only thing I did was apply foundation to my unit as well as my bald cap, and I did put some foundation on the perimeters of the unit, and this is what she is looking like. She looks flawless. Do you agree with me? Let me know down in the comments section. Overall, I would say this is definitely a good unit. I'm not gonna lie, it's a really good unit. The quality feels nice and soft to the touch. I love the curl pattern. I would give this wig, if I'm rating it out of 10 in terms of quality and my likeness towards it, I would give this wig a 8 out of 10 because it really did surprise me. Oh, and the most important thing, it didn't have no smell. You know, sometimes you purchase wigs, it has that little funky smell. I don't know if they washed the unit or what they did, but it came out smelling fresh. Honey, I had no issues with smell, which is a plus in my book. All right, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying with me. If you have not yet subscribed, guys, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and join the Jae Squad. Yes, join the Jae Squad. Just continue to be here with me and support me here on my YouTube journey, and just be safe out there, guys. We're still in a pandemic. Be safe, and I'll catch you guys next time.